Hello dear traders, you're watching the combined review of currency and commodity markets on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Last Friday, the US dollar fell to its lowest level since late March and snapped a string of consecutive winning weeks. The ICE dollar index was down to 96.969. The index hit an intraday low at 96.75, its lowest level since March 28, and posted its first weekly loss since the week ending on March 12. The dollar index has surrendered much of its gains even as the latest US Producers Price Index exceeded market expectations and jobless claims fell to their lowest levels since 1969. Together with the March US inflation data released earlier last week, the data underscores the central bank's patience on the US interest rates, and this may remain unchanged for the rest of 2019. Meanwhile, the euro was the big winner from the broad-based dollar weakness, trading through the psychological level at $1.13. The shared currency was changing hands at $1.13.02 compared with $1.1218 seen at the end of the previous week, gaining almost 100 points. At the same time, during Friday's session, the BTC price increased slightly by 0.7% after falling by more than 7% below $5,000 mark. Looking at its weekly chart, the closing price of Bitcoin at $5,114 on April 12 was 3.5% higher than the price at $5,080 at which Bitcoin closed the previous week. In the commodity market, oil futures settled higher on Friday, recovering a portion of the sharp loss suffered a day earlier, as violence in Libya raised the risks to the nation's oil production, and economic data from China helped ease concerns over a slowdown in energy demand. The announcement of a major energy deal also appeared to provide a boost early Friday in oil prices towards the session's highs. On the ICE Futures Europe exchange, June Brent futures added 72 cents to $71.55 a barrel, recovering some of the 1.3% loss seen a day ago. West Texas Intermediate crude futures for May delivery on the New York Mercantile Exchange rose by 31 cents to settle at $63.89 a barrel after losing 1.6% on Thursday. For the week, WTI gained 1.3%, while Brent rallied by 1.7%. Gold futures ended high on Friday as consolidation took hold and the leading dollar index, which typically moves inversely with the metal, declined. But prices for the metal still posted a slight loss for the week after getting hit a day earlier. June gold futures rose by $1.90 to $1,295.20 an ounce. The most active contract lost about 40 cents an ounce from last Friday's settlement. Prices finished Thursday at $1,293.30, and that was the lowest finish and the largest single-session loss for the most active contract since March 28. And you've watched the combined review of currency and commodity markets on Insta TV. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.